Hello everyone, welcome to another episode of the Star Author podcast at Bookalooza. We are passionate about giving young writers a stage. Today the stage belongs to Prachi Bhatt, the author of the inspiring book Love's Intangible Warmth. Let's discover their story. Prachi, can you introduce yourself?
Hello everyone, I am Prachi Bhatt, the author of Love's Intangible Warmth. How are you all doing? I hope you're well.
Prachi, welcome to the Bookalooza Star Author podcast. How does it feel to hold your own published book, Love's Intangible Warmth?
Well, sir, I am over the moon to hold my own book. It's a dream come true.
Okay. What inspired the beautiful and poetic title of your book?
Well, sir, this title resonated with me, and I also wanted to create a bit of controversy as some of my poems are based on the theme of unrequited love.
Okay. When did you first realize that writing poetry or reflective prose was your passion?
Back when I was in ninth grade, I just out of nowhere wrote a poetry, and then it clicked that I could also convey my feelings and emotions through poetry instead of storytelling or writing story.
Okay. Okay. Can you describe the emotions you felt while writing the very first piece in this collection?
At that time, I was very frustrated and very angry. It felt like I was being discriminated against my brother because of like not any valid reason. So it was very not comfortable for me. But that's not the situation right now. Now I'm a bit comfortable.
Okay. So, how would you describe Love's Intangible Warmth to someone who has not read it yet in one sentence?
Well, this book is a classic example of being unpredictable.
Okay. Many of your poems touch on the theme like gender, identity, pain, and love. What drives you to explore such profound emotions?
Well, sir, it's my curiosity that drives me to explore such emotions, and it also helps me to delve deep into human emotions.
Okay. The poem, The Silence in Golden, The Freedom is Sweet, questions gender norms so powerfully. Was it inspired by personal experience or observations?
It was a personal experience, but sir, as the saying goes, communication is the key to personal and career success. I talked about my problems with my parents, and they talked about their problems. We all discussed our point of view, and then boom, we came to a solution. So we should just communicate whatever our problem is, and my problem was solved.
Okay, so it is your personal experience.
Yes, sir.
In Beyond Mathematics, you talked about education and emotional intelligence. What message do you want teachers and parents to take from it?
I would want to convey this message that don't judge your child on the basis of their flaws. Don't focus on the negative aspects. Also focus on the positive aspects. If they're not good in academics, see whether they are good in debating, whether they're good in communication skills, or they're good in sports. Don't judge your child. Just encourage them. Don't demotivate them. Empower them.
Okay, so you want to tell them a lesson that you have to empower your child.
Yes, instead of judging them.
Okay, okay. Which poem in the book feel most personal to you? That one came that straight from your heart.
The warmth of the tears, sir.
The warmth of the tears.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Do you want readers to feel after finishing your book? Comforted, awakened, or reflective?
I would want them to feel reflective.
Reflective, okay. Was there a specific turning point in your life when you decided to express yourself throughout poetry instead of traditional storytelling?
Not really. I just felt like doing poetry. That's all.
Okay. Many poems like Unwanted Obsessions and Even in My Subconscious, I Will Embrace Your Forevermore speaks about emotional intensity and loss. Are these feelings you wrote from memory or imagination?
The answer to that is both. They are both from my imagination and memory.
Like some of your imagination and some of your memories.
Yes,
Okay. How do you personally process heartbreak or grief through writing, silence, or reflection?
through writing.
By writing.
Yes.
Okay. If you could dedicate this entire book to one person, who would it be and why?
This might make me seem conceited, but I would dedicate this whole book to myself and to my emotions that helped me to come this far and write this whole book. So I would dedicate this to
Okay.
myself.
Okay. So you dedicate yourself. Exactly.
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
What's your writing routine like? Do you wait for inspiration or write a little every day?
No, I just write whenever I feel like it. I don't wait for a
Okay.
moment or that.
Okay. Okay. Do you listen to music while writing? If yes, which kind of music?
Yes, I do listen. Songs such as Billie Eilish's or Lana Del Rey's.
Okay. How do you deal with the writer's block or creative fatigue?
Well, I haven't had a writer's block yet, but if I do have one, what I would do is very simple. I would listen to music or read something or go out with my friends or my family, and that would help me get over my writer's block.
Okay. Did you ever doubt whether your poetry was good enough to be published and how did you overcome that fear?
Yes, I did have a doubt about publishing my book. I was very conscious about it. But then my friends were very encouraging. They were like, when will you publish your book? When my friends love my poetry, love my books very much, then why should I just judge my book? I should just write and I should just publish it.
Okay, so your friends encourage you to publish your book.
Yes, sir. Also, my
Which
family.
okay. Which writers or poets have influenced your work the most?
Well, there aren't any poets or writers that have influenced me.
Okay. If your poem could be turned into a visual form, like short films or illustrations, which one would you want to see come alive first?
I would want to see Cycle of Sweet Agony.
Cycle of Sweet Agony.
Agony.
Okay. Okay. If your emotions were color, what color would love be for you?
Love would be transparent because love is like an umbrella term. Love has so many emotions underneath it. So it has
Hmm.
to be transparent so it can keep all those emotions in check.
Okay. What's your comfort food when you are writing late at night?
Dry fruits.
Dry foods. Okay. If you could spend a day with any famous poet, living or dead, who would it be?
It would be a Russian novelist that is Fyodor Dostoevsky.
Okay. If you were not a writer, what creative passion would you pursue?
I would want to be a book content creator.
Book content creator. Okay.
Yes.
What's the weirdest or funniest thing someone has ever said after reading your poetry?
um, my friends or my families, they expect me that I have to learn all of this poetry that I've written. Means they expect me that have I have to recite all of this without looking at it. Like I have written this, but I have not learned this poetry. I have written it with my emotions, and those emotions are now gone. So I can't recite it without looking at it. I know what I have written, but I have not learned what I have written. That's the
Okay.
funniest and ridiculous thing.
Okay. So let's start some rapid fire questions. Like first, ink pen or keyboard?
Ink pen.
Ink pen. Okay. Coffee or chai while writing?
Coffee.
Night owl or early bird?
Night owl.
Heart or mind?
Heart.
Heart. Okay. One word to describe love's intangible warmth.
One word to describe love's intangible warmth. That would be that it is thought provoking.
Thought provoking. Okay.
Yes.
One word to describe yourself as a writer.
Intangible.
Intangible. Okay. If you could give your book a soundtrack, which song would fit best?
God is a Woman by Ariana Grande.
Okay. Favorite line from your book?
Be that they say love makes you powerful, but why does my love for you brings me devastation, tormenting me in your existence while bringing me ecstasy in your wistful dreams.
Okay. That was an inspiring conversation with Prachi Bhatt, the author of Love Intangible Form. Don't forget to check out the link in the description to grab a copy. Until next time, keep reading, keep imagining.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, Prachi.